Some folks dream of the wonders they'll do before their time on this planet is through.
Some just don't have anything planned. They hide their hopes and their heads in the sand.
Now I don't say who is wrong, who is right, but if by chance you are here for the night, then all I need is an hour or two to tell the tale of a dreamer like you. We all dream a lot. Some are lucky, some are not. But if you think it, want it, dream it, then it's real. You are what you feel. But all that I say can be told another way.
And the story of a boy whose dream came true.
And he could be you.